go to a breakout room and work on your work.
Can we also leave and then just do it later?
Yeah, here's the spiral review though, if you want to get the answers.
Okay.
Spiral review 25, 26, 27. 25. I don't see the answer on here. 13 and 3/4. It's D. I don't know why it's not circled. That's weird. Okay. Number 2. Show your work here. Dividing 8 divided by 1/7. When we divide, we invert it. So it's like we split each one of those 1/7 into 8, and we do that 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56 pieces. So 8 divided by 1/7, you're going to have 56 little 1/7 pieces there. Select all the numbers that are greater than 463.09. C, D, and E are all greater. A and B are not greater because A is less than, but B is equal to, so that's not greater. Number 4, when you're converting from milliliters to liters, you're moving it 3 times. So your decimal moves once, twice, 3 times, and it's 7.2. So Courtney is correct. Number 5, B and C are correct. Cubic inches and cubic feet are volume. Centimeters and square inches, that's square inches are area. Okay, that is 25. Here's 26. 26, and if I'm going too fast, let me know, guys. Spiral review 26, number 1. On the first one, I didn't get any of those as being right. I think they're all wrong. If you guys disagree with me, though, I'd love to hear from you. But when I went through it, the value of the tens digit is, it says 10 times the value of the hundreds digit. Well, the hundreds digit is 10 times the value of the tens digit, not the other way around. The value of the hundredths digit is 1/10 the value of the tenths digit. Oh, tens, tenths. That is correct. That is correct. Oh, there's the right answer. Sorry, it's B. I read that as tens. I didn't notice the tenths. So actually, that is correct. Okay. Number 2, Elaine has 4 apples. Each apple's 95 grams. What's the total mass? 380 grams. But in milligrams, I have to move it 3 times. So it's 1,000 times bigger. So it's like 380 times 1,000. I add 3 zeros to the 380 and it's C. Number 3, Tim wrote the following division problem. Show your work. 2,139 divided by 31 goes in there 69 times. Number 4, grocery store manager is stacking boxes. You got box A and box B. Box A is 5 feet by 3 feet by 4 feet or 6
Too
feet.
fast you went.
Oh, sorry. Which one did you need me to go back to?
3. 3, please.
Okay, let's go back to 3. So 3, 2,139 divided by 31. I did 31 times 6, which was 186. I subtracted it from 213 and I got 27. Brought down my 9. And then I actually did it 8 times, but then found I was short one. So I went back and changed it to 9. 1 times 9 is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 279. 0 left over. So 69.
All right.
The next one has 2 boxes. Box A is 5 by 4 by 3. That's like 15 times 4 or 60 feet cubed. Box B is 2 by 5 by 5. That's like 25 twice or 50. It makes 110 cubic feet or B. And number 5. John is building a toy chest for his son. A line plot with his lengths of wood planks is shown. What is the total length in feet of the longest plank and the shortest plank of wood? So I need to know how long is the shortest plank. Well, I can see it's 4 feet. But then the longest plank is here. And I wasn't sure what that was. So I looked between 6 and 7 and I said there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So each one of these is a fourth. So this is 6 3/4 feet. Plus 4 feet is 10 3/4, which I wasn't quite sure how they wanted you to fill that in, but I'd probably do it like that. 10 3/4. And the last page of Spiral Review. Spiral Review 27. You still there, Amadi?
Yes.
Okay, number 1. Julia has 4/6 a cup of flour. After adding more flour, Julia says she now has 5/12. Well, I immediately converted 4/6. I doubled the top and the bottom and made it 8/12, which is more than 5/12. So how could she start with 8/12, add some flour, and have only 5/12? That's crazy. So which of the following explains why Julia's wrong? Well, 5/12 is less
Is
than
less.
4/6. Crazy, Julia. So it's B. That's crazy. Number 2. Which of the following weights is the heaviest? I converted all of them into grams, so I had 500 grams here. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. Here we had 1,500 grams, and here we had 3,000 milligrams. I've got to divide that 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and that equals 3 grams, so C. Number 3, a bag of marbles has a mass of 45 grams. What is the mass of 250 bags of marbles? So here you need to go 45 times 250, which is 11,250 grams. And then to make it into kilograms, I'm going to have to divide because grams are smaller than kilograms. And I'm going to have to move the decimal 3 times. So it goes from behind the 0 to behind the 5 to behind the 2 to behind the 11, 11.25 kilograms. Number 4, Serena's collecting sticker books. What is the total length of all the books that are 3 3/5 inches? Well, first I had to see, like, what am I looking at here? I see the 4, I see the 5, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 between them, so they're fifths. So this would have been 3 right here, right here. And this is 3 1/5, 3 2/5, 3 3/5 is right here. So this is 3 3/5. And there were 5 of those. So I need to know what if I took 3 3/5 times 5. So here it is. First I did 3 times 5, and that was 15. Then I did 3/5 times 5, and that was 15/5. Then I divided 15 by 5 and said that's 3 more. So that's 18 inches long. Did you get that one, Amadi? It's a hard one. Number 5, Lamar packed boxes of crackers into different size packs. Each box is the same size. So first I did the volume of this box of crackers. It was 9 inches tall, 5 inches wide, 2 inches deep. That's 90 inches cubed. One box of crackers has a volume of 90. True. One box of crackers has a volume of 20. False. 3 pack of crackers has a volume of 270. Well, 3 times 90 is 270, so that's true. A 4 pack has a volume of 80. No, that's insane. How could 4 packs have less than a 3 pack? Number E, 2 boxes of crackers have a combined volume of 180 cubic inches. Well, 90 and 90 is 180. So, yep. It's true. It's true. Okay. Was there anything else or was that it? That was it. All right. Tomorrow then, this was 27. So 28, 29, and 30. We only have a couple more days of this. 28, 29, and 30 on the spiral review. I'll go in and I don't think I've done them online yet, so I'll have to go in and do them later today. I'm going to stop my share. We've got book club in just a few minutes or 1 minute. So more if you don't mind heading to book club. I'm going to send a quick note to Brianna.
I already did the review for 11.08.
Okay, excellent. Then you may go, my friend, or you can go do a dream box, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Louise, can you unmute for a minute? Can I ask you a question?